Welcome back to Vibe Trades, and I'm going to be giving you another MicroStrategy tick symbol MSTR update today, and I'm also going to be giving you a nice Bitcoin update. So we're also going to discuss what I expect in the next few days to weeks regarding Bitcoin and MicroStrategy. But before we get into this video, if you could smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. And also, guys, if you haven't joined the Discord already, the link is below in the description. I did call Ethereum yesterday and I also called Bitcoin. So as you can see, we printed heavy on this play. One of the members is up almost 2000% from his long. So you can see, guys, we've been really printing in the past few days by calling the Bitcoin bottoms and also the short-term tops. So let's get straight into it. Let's talk about MicroStrategy ticker symbol MSTR. So if you've been following me already, guys, if you're subscribed to me, if you've got the post notifications on, I have been telling you guys for a long time that below 350, MicroStrategy was going to come into this level at around 230 to 220. And what happened? It came straight into that level. So off that level, we've had a nice bounce already. So you can see I did mention 280 as the first target if you bought in at 230. So we've smashed through that target of 280 and we went all the way to 292 in the market open. However, pre-market saw MicroStrategy creep up to this 302, 304 level. So the next target is to flip this level at 302 and take out this level at 328. So I do believe if you're still in calls, just trim some of the calls and hold the rest and take some at 328, which we will then evaluate. So a very nice move right there for those who bought in. And right now, MicroStrategy is up pre-market to 286. And also, on the 7th of March, 2025, so this Friday, President Trump is going to host the first ever cryptocurrency summit. So if you take a look at Bitcoin here, let me just go on a weekly. So I did tell you guys not to panic, especially if you follow me on X. I told guys how everyone is losing their minds. Here's a weekly outlook on some charts. So I put Bitcoin here, Bitcoin dominance. So essentially, as Bitcoin dominance goes down, the altcoins go up. SPX and Nasdaq. So if you see here, guys, on the weekly, they're all retesting major levels. Again, you can see here, and Bitcoin dominance is at resistance. So ideally, we should see a drop. You can see here, SPX at a weekly level, and you can see here what happened when we retested the weekly levels in the past. And I have mentioned, guys, unless we lose 2 consecutive weeks or more on the weekly, then we will panic. But if that doesn't happen, you can see here we had 1 weekly close below, and the next weekly close we claimed this level and we went straight up for the next however many weeks, 10 plus weeks actually. So unless we get that close below, there's no need to panic. So you guys just have to chill out and trust the process, play level by level. So as I mentioned, guys, the crypto summit is coming this Friday, and what would we expect at Donald Trump crypto summit? And it mentions here on March 7th, according to Sachs, prominent founders, CEOs, and investors from the crypto industry will meet with members of Trump's working group on digital assets at the White House, presumably to discuss policy issues related to crypto and blockchain and a potential regulatory framework. The announcement preceded the US president's intention to include XRP, Solana, and Cardano in a crypto strategic stockpile being explored by the working group. Among the individuals confirmed to be attending the White House event are Trump Global CEO, strategy executive, chairman, Chainlink co-founder Sergey Nazarov, Exodus CEO JP Richardson, Sachs and Working Group Executive Director Bo Hines. And Garland House supported Trump's presidential campaign personally and helped roll crypto lawmakers through Ripple's donations to the Political Action Committee Fair Shake, leading some to speculate that other donors, including Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, Gemini co-founders Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, and Kraken CEO founder Jesse Powell, might also attend the summit. So what I am expecting this Friday, based off the summit is for us to see another move for Bitcoin. As you can see on the weekly chart, is looking very ripe indeed. So we're in the process of reclaiming this support that turned resistance previously, that can now turn support again. So we're in the process of that on the weekly. However, if you go down to the 4 hour, it's still touch and go. As you can see, the next resistance for Bitcoin is around 97k. We can spike up to around 99 to 102k, so that's another possibility. Spike up to that level, and then we'll have to reevaluate. So if you see on the daily here, you have 93k is the next resistance, then you got 97k, then we got 99 to 102k. However, if we don't exceed all-time highs, we won't see 180k plus just yet. However, we should see a nice move for MicroStrategy regardless. I do believe we should exceed $300 should we see a upper move Bitcoin in the next week to come. So 312 and 325 are your next resistances for MicroStrategy, which is where you do want to take some profit if you are in some calls, or if you're just swing trading it, and then you can leave the rest to do whatever it wants. So that's essentially my plan for MicroStrategy in the next week or two, just for it to take out $300, and then we can target 312 and then 325. So guys, again, if you have enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. And also don't forget to join the Discord. Link is in the description below and also my profile. And I'll catch you on the next video.